guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how I can make a bullet point in Google Docs. So first I'm just going to type some words so I can make like bullet points out of it. Just going to write down stuff like t-shirts, hats, magnets, keychains, what is it called? Snow globes, pins. Is keychain one word? I don't know. Keychains, pins, postcards, coins, tokens, figurines, mugs, spoons, etc. There's a lot, okay? I'm just going to select all of it, and I'm not going to right click. I'm just going to go here to create a bulleted list, and I'm just going to select this. And that's pretty much it. Or you can do it the easy way and just press Control-Shift-8 on your keyboard. That's like the shortcut. Control-Shift-8. Oh, and yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!